Hi there, hello there. For today's video, I'm going to make a piece of artwork using my least favorite art tool, which happened to be oil pastels. I did tell you guys my favorite art tool not too long ago, and that is the Pentel brush calligraphy pen. And the fun thing about this oil pastel set is it's done by Pentel as well, which is part of the reason I picked it. These being my least favorite is purely a personal preference. I know people who absolutely love oil pastels, they love working with them, and that's great. But I also think that part of the reason I might not like them is because I don't know how to use them properly, maybe? We'll see. Which is why I think this project actually ties in quite well with this month's Skillshare. Oh, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. I do love working with them, and I genuinely do like Skillshare, just to clear the air there. Skillshare is a platform you can use to take online video courses, and it can be used both to help your business practices as well as just personal growth. For me, I kind of fall into both categories. I guess art is my business, as well as video stuff. They also have top courses in every category, fine art lessons. All in all, very good. Going through some of the top videos that I have, I'm taking some of the things I've learned from illustration courses like this one. This is a color masterclass. I am getting more into graphic design, and I did find this very helpful. So this is just an example of what you can find on Skillshare. So now I'm going to do a crash course really quick on oil pastels using Skillshare and come back to you with what I've found out, what I've learned. And what I've learned from here is that the kind of pastels I got were for school children and not really for fine art. That being said, I do like Pentel as a company, and I kind of see it more as an art group because I can use a lot of their stuff to make neat projects. I'm just going to work on some paper here. This is textured cardstock, but it goes in further to explain that oil pastels can have more of a waxy texture or melt more easily and blend for other projects that are more fine art based. To blend them, you can either dot or smear them or spread them. Normally, I just give up and start spreading it with my fingers. Apparently, you can mix different oil bases into the oil pastels to help them smear and blend better. And I just had a bit of a quick play around, mixing, blending colors, seeing how I like it. I think the thing I find most difficult about oil pastels is that the finished product, kind of like with the Van Gogh rendition of my own painting I did, it does look more artistic. You can tell it's an art piece. Look at all of that. It looks very nice right now. Yeah, but let's get going on this project. I'm gonna try to do this on canvas today. So here we have the canvas, and the title of this piece is going to be When Cake Falls in the Mountains. Good. I think I'm gonna do my initial sketch with this color, which is a peach, because I think it's gonna be the easiest one to overwrite. I'm not really going for perfect here, because that's my main issue with oil pastels. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and it's hard to get perfection with them. See, this is the other thing, you kind of have to put the colors down first, and then take a color like white and go over it to kind of do the blending, and then by the end of it your wrist hurts. I'm gonna keep complaining about this the whole time. I am glad to be trying these out again because it has been a while since the last time I've used them. But again, it's hard to get things exact, it's hard to get colors exact, and they take a lot of effort. It's a lot of blending, a lot of stacking of the colors, trying to get the right color, and it's hard to make changes. And when you can't afford to make too many mistakes and you want to put down the right colors in the right spot, it can be a challenge. Here we're going for the background, and as you can see, it almost looks like crayon trying to do the background, and then you smear it and all of a sudden the color becomes fuller. All in all, I do have a better understanding of the positives of oil pastels from this project, but I still prefer paint as my top pick. Probably because I'm more comfortable with it at the moment. Here is our oil pastel, Falling Cake from the Sky. Just for reference, I'm going to show you me painting over this with oil paint. I'm not sure if painting over oil pastels with oil paint is really a thing you're supposed to do, but we're gonna do it. So far, already with the paint, I can mix the color that I want to use a bit easier, I can change it, I can blend it, and I'm able to do more detailed work that I wasn't able to do before. I can get a fuller background color, a darker background color if I'd want to, add a bit more contrast, have an easier time adding those highlights and lowlights. And although there's not gonna be much difference here, it's enough to make me feel more comfortable with it. I have tried to make the contrast a bit greater here, so it's gone darker. So I do prefer paint. That being said, This is a different medium of art, and you use various mediums depending on what you're going for, as well as convenience for the situation. Like, it's much more convenient to pull out a box of pastels and just go right into the project versus oil paint, which that involves a whole setup. So ultimately, it's what you're most comfortable with doing and what you're trying to achieve. Yeah, here's the finished little oil painting and the side-by-side contrast. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I do have my golden pen giveaway. Golden pen, golden pen. Should you like to win this pen, this little pen, just leave a nice comment down below for a chance to win. Every video is a chance to win a pen. Again, thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring. If you would like to try it out, Skillshare is giving away 2 free months of premium membership to the first 500 people who click the link in the description. After that, should you like to continue, it's about $10 a month. Good. And I will see you guys again next time. Godspeed and bye!